How to see other viewers on Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can see other viewers on Facebook stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes you might have been using Facebook, you might have uploaded a story, and then inside that story it basically showed that one other viewer, two other viewers, three other viewers, and so on. So first of all, you have to understand what are those other viewers. Well, those other viewers are simply the people who have watched your stories on Facebook but they are not friends with you, and they can view your Facebook stories because you have set your story to public. So even if they are not friends with you, they will be able to view your story, but if they're not friends with you, Facebook cannot show you a name, and as a result they will simply tell one other viewer, two other viewers, and so on. Now, to give you a general context, there isn't a proper way or a complete way to see who those other viewers are, but what you can at least do is you can choose to make your story private so that only your friends will be able to see it, and then you can avoid such type of incidents occurring in the future. So what you can do is you can just tap the three lines option here, tap the gear icon over here, then go to privacy checkup, then go to who can see what you share, then just tap on continue, tap on next, and here you'll find stories. So if it is set to public, most likely other people, everyone on or off Facebook, will be able to view your story. So I wanted to simply set this to friends. So I hope this video helped to understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.